Hello YouTuber and Viewmaster friend, 3D and retro enthusiast. We are very happy that you are here. Please keep your stereo viewer and the Viewmaster 3D reel set ready, which we show here in our video. Even if you don't have this 3D picture set yet, maybe you can just listen to our spoken text and imagine the motifs in your own fantasy world. Now listen to the following audio video while you take your time looking at the 3D images and switching accordingly frame by frame. This is the 3D Viewmaster Passion Play Oberammergau, Germany, 1950, Part 1, Reel number 1551. Picture 1. Jesus drives out the money changers. Picture 2. Mother, I am on the way to Jerusalem. Picture 3. Father, I thank thee for this drink of the wine. Picture 4. Take, eat, this is my body. Picture 5. 30 pieces of silver. Picture 6. Son of man, sanctify thy Father's will. Picture 7. Thou hast called God thy Father. We want to add new videos every day, and if you don't want to miss any of them, subscribe to our channel for free.
And press the little bell. We are also happy to have a thumb up.